Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I know it's a little dark in here because they're basically closed back here, but I'm here for a little while longer. Superior Auto Sales, sascars.com. I did record one of these ones a while ago, but it was only here for transport. It was not for sale. But this one is for sale. It is basically identical to the one they had here for transport. This car just came in from a guy from Virginia, and the other one was like a 456 or whatever. That was, the gentleman bought it, traded this in, had it for 14 years, I think, 12, 14 years. So this car is in beautiful shape, older gentleman, but did drive it. It has 50-something thousand miles on it, so it's been exercised. But this one is going up for sale. Yes, the other one was not. This one is. This is the 1988 328. And this one is up for sale. And it is in beautiful shape. Beautiful, beautiful shape. The V8 in it. A lot of people like to call these the Magnum PI cars, but these ones aren't. This is your 328 GTS. I know it's a little dark in this little spot, so I apologize for that. But you can tell the suspension is in really good shape because it's not sagging down. You can see the distance from my fingers. The tires are in beautiful shape. The rotors look really good. The paint on it, they only washed this car. They haven't even buffed it yet. Okay, so it gives you an idea of how well they took care of this car. So yeah, this car is beautiful. They put Michelin on it. But this car is in really nice shape. Suspension here is good. But I just love doing this view. That's actually really, really cool. And this thing is screaming red. That other one was really nice, but I think this one's actually better. Even though the other one was here for transport. Like I said, suspension, it's in good shape. It's not sagging. The rims, I don't see hardly any marks on them at all. I mean, you get some little doodads here and there, but that is nothing for a car that is from 1988. A lot of these cars, they erased them and things like that. Suspension's in good shape. All the lights. I mean, it's a little dirty. You know, it just came in. There you go. I just love these little door handles. The other one had black rugs. This one's got brown. So I'm assuming it was maybe some kind of an option. It is the exact same year as the other one. You know, it's just really weird, these little speakers right there. But it's got rear defrost, third brake light, target top, which is really cool. Oop. Move the seat back a little bit. I can't get in it. Can't move it back until I get in it. So I'm going to try and climb in this. Oh. Because the one guy, Dan, there we go. Perfect. As you can see, in this car, can't really, there we go. I'm going to try and put my light on it so you guys can see the exact mileage on it. Give me 1 second here. All right. 52,800 and... Whoop. Get the camera in there. It's a little tight right here. Yeah, 52,866. Yeah, but you can see down in here, the rugs are in beautiful shape. The side of the center console. And like I said, they didn't even detail this. All they did was give it a bath. All they did. So this car is in excellent shape. Little pockets. Power mirrors. I'm going to open up the front in a second here. And then you guys can see the motor. But yeah, these rugs are in beautiful shape. And this is what I love too, these gated shifters. I wish they would just bring that back. your little ashtrays, you can see it never been used, which is nice. Somebody took good care of this. Really, really nice. All right, let's get into the trunk area. Or no, I'm sorry, the motor area. Not even a trunk. Well, like I said, even on the other one, you can see right in here that rear window is curved. Kit cars don't come with that. I've seen a lot of guys who own these as kit cars, and they can fool you real easy if you don't know what to look for. Down in here, it even comes with a car cover. That's how much somebody loved this car. This is the case, I'm assuming, for the top, or when you take the target top off. But inside here, as you can see, yeah, I mean, it's not leaking anything, no funny smells, and it sounds fantastic when it's running. But yeah, here you go, a Ferrari 3200 quadro valve. Car is in phenomenal shape. Car is in beautiful, beautiful shape. Now the specs on it right here, if you can read that without me blinding everybody. Try and get the right amount of light in there. There you go. Yeah, way back there. No oil leaks, nothing. This car was well cared for. But the gentleman who owned it was an older gentleman, and it was just too hard for him, and actually and his wife, to get in and out of it. Okay. Shining that. There you go. But yeah, this is a really sweet car. So for being a 1988, you know, they have these things that unlock. I know on the other side it's for the gas door. So over on that side, I'm not sure. But yeah, here is the passenger side. Those little speakers are weird. I'm guessing somebody else put those in there because I don't remember those being in the other one. I actually had to look at the other video. Oh, there's a little pocket right back here. I don't know if it's like some kind of owner's manual or... Oh yeah, the extra remote for the radio, I'm assuming. So we'll put that back. Comes with extra batteries too. That was nice of them. Put the seat back. But the leather is in really nice shape. Over there, you know, you got some wear marks, that's a given. But there's no rips in it. You know, the center console comes with a little pocket right there. Because these cars don't come with a glove box. Well, they come with something right there. Little compartment, which is cool. You know, they have little tweeters put in here, an aftermarket radio. Somebody wanted to enjoy their music. Another little pocket right here. And it's weird because if you're not paying attention, that is how you open the doors. So you wouldn't know how to get out of it. For a second when you're sitting in it, you're like, how do I open the door? Now you know how. But yeah, this car is really nice. I mean, that's when you can tell too it's been taken care of. Listen to the sound of that when it shuts. Nice, solid door. You know, the spare tire. They even put a tire kit in there with a little compressor just in case. Nothing wrong with that. Your fan's down in there. It does have an aftermarket alarm system on it. So yeah, it's in nice shape.
I have to come.
So as you can tell by the front end, there's no rock chips on it, hardly any. There's a couple here and there, there's small ones, but that is no big deal. That can be touched up very easily. Yeah, I mean, even when you look in there, you can tell this car is in beautiful shape. Very, very nice shape. So yeah, here you have it. So yeah, this one's going up for sale. This one will be on their website, sascars.com. And if you are inquiring about it, tell them you've seen it on Rustic Trend on YouTube. All right, guys, I'm going to end this one here. I always enjoy viewing these cars, recording them, playing with them, sitting inside of them, starting them up. And you can enjoy it too if you buy it. But in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and press that bell for notifications. So this way you know when all my videos are coming out. Till then, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.